Hi, I'm Chris Kearns. I'm the Regional Manager for Altis Consulting UK, and I'm joined today by Sam Riggs, one of our managing consultants, who is also one of our data warehousing experts. Sam brings to bear a lot of dimensional modeling experience, and that's the topic of our chat today. Hi, Sam.
Hey, Chris.
So, what is dimensional modeling?
Dimensional modeling is a technique and it's all about presenting data to users so that it's optimized for querying and for analysis. Dimensional modeling has two main goals. The first one is that users understand the data very easily. And the second one is that the performance of dashboards and reports is very high, so users get their results quickly.
Cool. So, the data for those reports and dashboards exists in corporate systems such as finance, HR, customer relationship management, etc. Why do we need to model the data differently? Why can't we just point our reporting tools directly at those source systems?
Well, the data that's in those source systems really is optimized for operations. It doesn't have any business specific rules in it or useful transforms, and it doesn't have friendly names and identifiers. And that means that it's difficult for users to really understand. And it also means that when put into an analysis tool set, the results can be quite slow. So dimensional modeling starts with the analysis in mind rather than optimizing the data for any specific operational need.
Okay. And is dimensional modeling still relevant now that we have modern data visualization tool sets like Power BI, ClickSense, Tableau, etc.?
In order for those modern tools to deliver results to users quickly, we want to store and retrieve data in the most efficient way possible.
Mm-hmm.
So whether the data is modeled in the back end in a data warehouse, or whether the data is modeled in the actual analysis tool itself, all of those major software vendors recommend consuming data from a dimensional model. Dimensional models are going to result in fewer joins that the toolset has to make, and it's also going to allow them to store that data in a highly compressed way, which is a bit more efficient. And then even beyond those performance gains that you get from dimensional modeling, it's always going to have the benefit of helping users to understand the data more readily.
That makes a lot of sense. Thanks. So, who within the organization needs to have a deep understanding of dimensional modeling?
That's going to be anyone who's creating data content for other people to consume. So that might be data developers who are delivering a data platform, or it might be business analysts who are creating reports or dashboards, or even just diving deeply into the data to determine some useful analysis.
Nice. And so, how do these people go about learning dimensional modeling?
Well, one of the easiest ways to learn and the most effective ways would be to learn whilst doing. All Altis consultants are skilled dimensional modelers. And when we're engaging with a client, we do a lot of knowledge share as we develop their solution if we were working to build a data platform together. And that's a really great way to get the client's team upskilled in dimensional modeling.
Mm.
If the client prefers a more classroom style setting, Altis also delivers a one-day dimensional modeling training, which will give users the confidence and the ability to navigate dimensional models in whatever analysis tool they choose.
Fantastic. Well, thanks very much, Sam. And if anybody is interested in learning dimensional modeling, whether it be through the one-day course that Sam mentioned, or through a consulting engagement where you can learn that best practice through the knowledge transfer that we provide, then please feel free to get in touch with Sam or I. And thanks very much for watching.